All right. Later on.
All right. Love you guys.
Love you too. I got a pish, but I see Ivy Supersonics on the phone. She used to call into our show all the time.
Yeah, I see her on the on Facebook and stuff sometimes.
You do?
But
you follow her?
Yeah. Well, I must. I don't know. She just popped up.
Wasn't she like a clothing designer? I forget what she did. She was a clothing designer.
Remember hats.
Oh, she designed hats.
Yeah, and what's her name would wear her hats to openings of movies and so forth.
What's her name? Michelle Pfeiffer?
Pamela Anderson.
Pamela Anderson, yes.
Thank you, Gary. Pamela Anderson. Yeah, that's right. Pamela Anderson used to wear a hat every once in a while.
Yeah, those were
Pamela
Ivy's
Anderson.
hats.
Oh, my God. Pamela Anderson was... Boy, she was the bomb, huh? With those hats. Who's looking at the hat, though? That's the thing. Didn't Benji date Ivy for a while?
Yes, they were an item for a minute.
Unbelievable. Unbelievable he found a girl to date him.
I think she couldn't believe it either.
Yeah. Hey, Ivy, how are you?
I'm good, Howard. My God, it's been a long time.
Yeah, where you been? I was just reminiscing. You designed hats. Robin didn't remember that. I had to remind her.
Yes, I designed that famous hat for Pamela Anderson. And, we have an anniversary together today. 20 years ago, it was April 27th, 2006. And there was a Howard Stern Film Festival 20 years ago at the Hudson Theater. And I had my girl, Jillian Spalding. She wore my feathered hat, and she actually was murdered and died. But she, yeah.
Hey, by the way,
Playboy murder.
By the way, I forgot about that. We used to have the Howard Stern Film Festival. That was fucking awesome. We had an amateur film festival. Like, people in our audience would make films, and we'd go have a film, and they were good. Some of the films were really fucking
amazing. Some of them, yeah. I still think about them.
I forgot about that.
I made a film. It's called Ivy's Paranormal, and I wish you had a film festival so I could put it in your festival. It won for the best short documentary at the Cutting Room Film Festival, and you can watch it at ivsparanormal.com. It's I know you like these kind of things, and it's,
did we have it right,
really
Ivy?
paranormal.
Didn't you date Benji for a while?
Well, that was a little bit of an accident. I don't know. Sometimes you make
Of course it was.
It's hard to talk about. I mean, it was an accident. I don't know how that happened.
Well, that's what I said. Ivy couldn't believe it happened either.
Yeah. Do you hear this, Robin? It was an accident. You know what? That sounds like my life. Like, many women who dated me would say, it was an accident. You know what, Ivy? Yeah. Go with that. That's a good answer. Hey, aren't you the woman who dated Benji for a while? Oh, that was an accident. Like when a car crash happens, it's nothing. Women used to call me an accident too, so I'm familiar with it. What do you mean it was an accident when you dated Benji?
Well, I really wanted to date you, but Benji was the closest thing, so I took him. Now I'm joking,
Ivy,
but
did you ever recover from that? Did you ever date again? I heard you never. You after Benji, you never went to another man again. You were done.
Yeah, pretty much. I just stayed creative. I designed feathered hats, wrote books, songs, movies, things like that. I'm recovered though. I totally forgot about it. It was like 20 years ago. Yeah.
Wow. So if I said to you, what was sex with Benji like? You completely forgot it. So there's no way you can answer the question.
I have no idea. It's hard to remember. Right. Yeah. But I wrote a song, and it's called "What If," and it just came out this weekend. It's on iHeart. It's on Sirius Radio. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and
is it dance music? Is it rock? Is it what is it? Is it pop? What category?
Hip hop. It's hip hop, and I used Rapper's Delight. I got the license from Sugar Hill Records, and I used Rapper's Delight as music, and I wrote the lyrics, and it just came out. It's very exciting, yeah. And so you got to listen to it. You got to listen on Amazon.
All right, I'll check it out. Okay, and you still design hats, I guess.
I still do the hats. They're selling at the record company Hyperspace Records on their store, hyperspacerecords.com. And I heard that you needed like suntan lotion, like for the sun. You were scared that it causes
I don't
cancer.
go out. Yeah, well, I actually wear a big giant hat. You didn't design it, but I wear a big giant hat. Looks like a guy on safari, except it's got a string underneath to keep it on my head. And
wait, do you remember? I designed a hat for you. Do you remember when I came on the show for Hal's Christmas? Sal's Christmas.
Ivy, I don't
festival?
remember. I don't remember yesterday, let alone. I didn't even remember we had a film festival until you made me aware of it. By the way, I've been handed a note. Director Todd Phillips was a judge for that film festival, who went on to make the Joker movie, which is fucking great.
Yes.
So it was a serious film festival. Todd,
it was.
Yeah, it was cool. God, that was such a good.
I want to tell you about this sunblock, just in case because sunblock causes cancer. And, I have a sunblock with no parabens and no phthalates. Oh. Yeah, so at Supersonic.com, if you need sunblock that won't cause cancer, and I have cancer, I don't know. I
didn't know you had cancer. I only know about Robin's cancer. That's it.
I sent Robin a book. Robin, did you get my book? I sent you a book.
She's reading it right now, actually.
I did not.
Just say you did. She's reading it now.
I did.
Oh, well,
Ivy's like Taylor Sheridan. She's got books. She got suntan lotion. She's got hats.
She's got records.
She's got records.
She's got books, her comic books, everything.
Woman's on fire with her talent. Yeah.
This book is called The Supersonic Diet. You could get it on Amazon.
Ivy,
I was diagnosed.
I got to ask you, what was harder? And I want an honest answer. What was harder?
Okay.
Cancer or dating Benji?
Dating Benji.
Yeah, I had a feeling. Yeah, cancer was a walk in the park.
I kicked cancer in 4 weeks. So Robin,
nice.
Robin must know about like the soursop leaves, the onion sprouts. Do you know about the onion sprouts, Robin? The broccoli sprouts.
Oh, sure.
Let me tell you something.
Yes.
You can't match Robin's knowledge with any person on this planet. It's unbelievable. She is churning butter. She is blending. She is. She knows more about this than anybody on the planet. Don't you worry about her.
I'd love for you to read my book. I'd love to send you a book that you would get, because I sent you the manuscript last May when I've been in remission
Ivy.
a year now. Yeah.
You want to know something? I always thought wow, smart move naming yourself Ivy Supersonic. Like as soon as I saw she was on the phone, I went, oh, hey, there's Ivy Supersonic. Meanwhile, what does that even mean, Supersonic? But yet you do buy into it, right? Like, oh my God, it's Ivy Supersonic.
It's a special name. There's nobody else with that name.
I need a special name. Did you name yourself Ivy Supersonic?
I did.
Wow.
I did, Howard. Yeah.
What would be a good name for me? You know what I mean? People.
You could be Howard Supersonic. I like it. Ivy and Howard. No, you don't want to be Howard Supersonic. I think Howard Stern is perfect, the king of all media. How could you, I mean, that's the best possible name there is. Next to Ivy Supersonic, of course.
Benji is now in the back office claiming that he broke up with Ivy. But listen, Benji, be a gentleman. Let Ivy, you don't have to come. Why does he have to tell people that? It was mutual.
Did Ivy say she broke up with him? No, she just said she doesn't remember dating him.
Yeah. Listen, there are people you want to forget.
He's not on my list. I've been married to my hats. Since I started the hats in 1996, I've been married to my hats. I have one kid, the Scrat. Remember the Scrat?
Yeah, I remember that. What's up, Gary?
Yep.
Oh, I wanted to talk about the Scrat, because remember that whole thing with Scrat? She was suing Disney, that whole thing. And went up for years.
Yeah.
She won.
Yeah.
Disney can't use Scrat because of Ivy. That's her. She won. I couldn't believe
Ivy's not fucking around.
No.
She is a creator.
She
is a
years.
creative. But Ivy, listen, I love you. I got to go. But good luck with the record. The record is called What If? And Ivy's got a new song. Ivy's always being creative, and we love her for it.
Yes.
All right, Ivy.
Thank you, guys. I love you all. Thank you.
Love you too.
Bye.
Lovely woman.
You.
Beat cancer in 4 weeks, which you are still carrying on with this cancer. You have got to beat it already. Knock it off. Maybe you should read Ivy's book.
I've been procrastinating.
Yeah, I thought you would beat this in 4 weeks, and yet we are 12 years or 11 years in, I think.
14. 14.
Shame on you.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you were Robin Supersonic, you would have beaten cancer already.
That's right. Wrong name.
It's all in a name. Like, I remember, like, people say, hey, Ivy Supersonic's here. And she'd go right to the front of the line.
Yeah.
As far as I know, like, her name is like Ivy Schwartz or something. I mean, I don't know what her real name is, but I don't even know if her real name's Ivy.
But she'd always also have on some outrageous outfit.
Yeah, that's true.
So it
She had a
seemed
whole
like
look.
she should be Ivy Supersonic.
Yeah. Yeah, Benji was almost Benji Supersonic. Benji wants to come on air. Should we let him?
Oh, boy.
Oh, yeah. That's not going to go well.